Eja ahorwa atọ this particular market and in the surroundings no enya sem ketwa me say ebe blow your mind. Hey, na are eho no ya domi ho na say bad luck akaho and say omo ho no moto ne ma no na omo nye serious about fire safety. Any mama yen konko he
at the Ashaiman Markets, we understand that this section is usually bustling with the trading of cereals, grains, beans, and all the like. Traders here tell me that they received a call about midnight today, September 10, that their shops were on fire, and so they rushed here to see if they can salvage this, which unfortunately personnel from the Ghana National Fire Service and the police prevented them from coming in, and they tell me that they've lost everything.
I
was home when we got the call the market is on fire. I came with my child, but unfortunately we weren't let in. So we had to return in the morning before we went in. Everything was destroyed when we got back. Everything is burnt, and the ones that didn't burn have been soaked in water. Millet, beans, granules have all mixed up. We've lost everything.
35 bags. Millet, 105 bags.
Almost 200 bags of assorted cereals and grains. Can't even quantify the amount.
Garland, 10 bags.
The cause of the fire is yet to be ascertained, but traders here tell me that they believe or suspect that the cause of the fire might have emanated from an electrical fault.
Abusia, asam no. Say ye electrical fault. Say you be the say ye weather conditions. The independent here. So biso na shed that no sabotage ho obi the time obi no dija koto na yimu independent here. So far investigation hasn't actually clarify or ascertain what exactly happened. AJ at all. Ashaiman Estate, Ashaiman Market Musa. But Ashaiman Market in the day, it's Ashaiman was Ashaiman, I believe. So market in the day, just say, wow, so who say at least every 3-4 years if you are doing that. Why now also the American team for attention for what is this? Let's go back into history and let's do this thing look chronologically. January 2016. Ija eto 22 lane or Ashaiman Estate. It destroyed about 10 shops and no properties any a day. 2019 March, another 37 shops were burned to the ground. They contain something like oil, clothes, cosmetics, just say enyema bubuja. Next enyema way now, so the insurance is on to your macao. It is will be a buying the baby or penny be or sikani be anya a ye ampesi. No. Yay, Cromipa, they are way a good beam. Chronomode and it's a but a bin so air bre. A bin more bre. As some siwa, as some tour. I want to say chrono munyede because of Jifoni baby. It is sad. Or Jifoni baby. Let's move on. 2017. So we did 2016, we did 2019, we did 2017. 2017, the same thing. Another fire started with Tanker Yard. And also, I think they know you're closer to the timber market area, Hono baby. And also, how many and Yaman say, and also cars, houses, because then the been neighborhood, cars, houses, so many properties. Adding, it will become in the park life across the pool. A dear one, adding, woman, you're careful. And the weather, no, you say, no crowd, the weather, no Canada, Crono Friday is a ship. Crono baby, tribute to me. Fires are starting 150 and are starting. A chrome in every year you chrome. Abo aseti or Canada, other Canadian provinces. And it is a Janet, yes, what I know, and ya, be to a bisicaretic to a be I would 200 say now. That's it. It means say crooning in around. Mummy, careful. February 2023 yara. See another fire ebaye, and then also Table Lane. You see, only opposite Ashaiman or Ashaiman Municipal Assembly Building. And also saying never be brave. Insurance away. 2022 January, another accident and so happy here. And where the timber market I just say, and also Ebe saying Yema destroy so many things. Fast forward and we just had one in February this year, and then September, and then a January 40 shops in a saying. 40 shops in the same. No more just a gun as kind of crying. We find it so hard to come by. Now, shop as I say. Let's try to cry there. See, police for crime, no fire service for no munya is your may and no doom say jam. Meaning a bad governance, bad leadership. It is sad. Okaka, you make us a main car. More mushroom way in shops, meaning Arano. Mamu, good luck. I really sympathize with you guys. Yamin Shamudi, maybe Biara, quite done won't be and find Mamma, Namuntimi, and Jessica, and from replenish it. Maybe a mushroom and Yama mushroom. So far, Yantis life will be a perishing. Tia the Radiasi. On that note, thank you so much for continuing watching Gatsby GH.